Hello to all. Welcome to my YouTube channel, that is the SolidWorks tutorial. We'll be doing FPBC 90, not 90 but FT. Okay, let's move on. Press the sketch and do the front plane, and let's use the units that is in inch. Okay, let's do some circle. Okay, a little bit small. Oops. Let's remove it. Let's make sure that one, two, let's make a circle, measure it as something like 1.5, that is inches. Regenerate the model and save the current value. Let's save it first, the drawing, rebuild, and then save the model to 197. Okay, save it. Let's go back to the drawing or to the sketch, and now let's do some another offset. Let's go inside with this 10, so that is good. Now click the picture and then extrude pause, and let's go to the mid plane. Now let's go and use 3 inch, the length of the pipe. Sort that. Okay, let's close the window or the dialog box. Now let's do another sketch. From the right plane. So let's go to the right plane portion, and let's do some sketch here from the center. And make sure that 2 inch, and another one. Okay. And let's put a plate on it that is about, let's try 1 inch or more than that, 1.25. Okay, click OK, and more to remove the dialog box. Now we are on seeing an angle or a 90 degree, and let's get out of the sketch. Then I want to have a sketch on the top of that point, so let's do some plane again. Use the first reference to make a plane, and then the point. So you make a plane on the top of the point, Then let's do some sketch onto the top. Okay. Let's do some circle. That is 1.5. That's really good. Good already. Regenerate and click OK. Then offset that one. It's outside. Oh, it's supposed to be inside. Okay, so 0.10. And let's get out of the sketch. Now you can see that there is a sketch 1 and sketch 2, or sketch 2 and sketch 3. Now let's go for the picture that is a sweep bus. So this is the profile, and this is the path where you can see that it goes through to the path then. So click the OK sweep to remove it to dialog box. Now you have a quick a T that goes into this, and then let's remove let's get another one, this one, convert it to entities, and then remove that one, the pieces, that's the inside part. So let's use the extrude cut, and it's automatically at 3. I will have to remove any more, so that's good enough. So let's cut it. Voila, there's no more connection on that one. And we'll do another one because it's not showing the other one here. So let's do this one. Sketch, convert entities on this one. Let's remove the other entities here. Just this one. Let's extrude. Let's extrude only on this portion, or the surface, up to the surface here. So let's do that. Now it's already have a hole that you can see. Let's hide the plane. So now they are now both have holes in it. Let's do some chamfer on both ends. So let's do this one as 0.125 inch. 0.1. Let's see that one, only this portion. So this is gonna be 0.125, a very, very small one. Let's change that one from 0.5 to make it more nicer. Let's do some material placement where it is. Let's go on advanced and then browse, and you check the rubber, and let's say the gloss, rubber gloss, or something like, let's say, perforated, made, rubber. So maybe change it to other color. That is the plastic composite or high gloss. Let's say, where's the green? Green brass of hope. Open. Now it shows the green. Let's move out of the dialog box. Now it's green. Okay, let's check it out. Okay. I did open again a SolidWorks Visualize Professional, and we'll open it, the project, the 197, the T itself, the rubber, the PVC rubber. So let's check it out. Oh. Then let's check if it is, we can make it more better or nicer to look. That is exercise 197. Let's go to the thumbnail or the folder, thumbnail, select, and then just render it. Press the start render. Now it's been rendered. Sorry for ringing all those stuff. And it's nice to have that render. If you're not subscribed yet, then click the button subscribe, and have a nice day. Thank you very much.